Okay, so here we are trying to do a screen recording using the excellent EV-Boy Pulse. I've just switched the car on and switched the phone on as well. So I'm just waiting it to open up fully. It's telling me already, you can see that it's connected. And here we go. It's giving me the basic battery data. Somewhere down the bottom here we go. Here's the instructions on carrying out the stress test. So let's do this. I have to ignore the indicator because I've pulled off to the side of the road. Firm acceleration, it says. 3 hits. So there's 1. I'm expecting this to tell me when it's seen enough from the first one, but I've run out of road. So I've got a corner here. I'm going to just do a quick U-turn and go back because this actually takes us into the next village. So I'm going to turn around and go and try and do the pull in the other direction. You can see that the progress bar at the top is counting nicely, so that's good. I presume it will get to 33% before it confirms that the first pull is done. But we're just trying this as we can. Again, I'm getting to a corner here, so I'm going to have to lift off and actually brake because we've got quite a bit of speed on board. I'm going to do the same again, going for full throttle. Hoping the battery doesn't get too warm doing this because it's 28 degrees centigrade ambient still. Still only got 37% showing for the total progress, but I'm going to have to back off because we're coming to the next village again. Looks like I'm going to run out of road space and or battery before the test is complete, but we're on 50% already, so fingers crossed. I shall turn around as we've just entered another village again. Turn around and go back where I've just come from. Here we go. And away for the next one. Going, as you can hear from the slight tyre squeak, going for full accelerator. Trying to make sure that we fulfill all the parameters necessary to do a stress test. Going and going and going. We're well up above the speed limit, but we won't tell anybody, especially won't say it live on air. I've just got my super low battery warning, but that does mean that I still have 1.9 kilowatt hours left. So we're going to do another pull before we get to this corner. Back it back off again. I'm going to get round the corner, try and do another pull. But I'm heading for home anyway, so I'm not unduly worried about the low battery. I'm not convinced we're going to have enough road space to finish off doing this stress test. Might be something that I'll have to do to completion on another video, but at least this gives you a good pictorial idea of what's happening. First time I've ever done the stress test on it, so it's not something that I'm familiar with. I'm running blind on this and watching it as it goes. I'm struggling to get it over 66%, even though I'm accelerating as much as I can wherever I can. We are coming up to our village again here, so I'm going to have to back out of it. The nice thing is that even though the battery's at a very low state of charge, I'm not getting any power reduction or turtle mode or anything unreasonable like that. So yeah, I've had to probably going to have to give this another go another time because we are back in our village and I could do with getting home, getting on charge and getting myself some supper. So I'm going to press stop stress test. Sorry, stop stress. Got the wrong teeth in today. Stop stress check, and then another day when I've got a bit more time and I've got the battery just below 40% again, then we'll give it another go. So there we go. This shows you all the results from the stress test. Again, I'm learning blind on this. This is very much what I'd expected with this pack because it's a 30 kilowatt hour, which has a couple of degraded modules which I need to attend to, but I'm just not getting the time to do it. So, but there we go. That shows you the process and what you can expect to see from the results. I'm going to sign off now. Thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you another time.